What if you could retire early, not by cutting back, but by owning businesses that build wealth for you? Today, we're looking at 5 Canadian stocks that could help you reach your financial freedom faster. These aren't random penny stocks or lottery tickets. They're proven companies that compound over time through innovation, skill, and smart management. Some you probably know, others might surprise you. But together, they form a mix of growth, resilience, and potential. Exactly what you want in a portfolio built for early retirement. If you enjoy learning about Canadian investing and building real wealth, hit that like button and subscribe to Bucks and Beyond. We're starting with a company that redefined online business, Shopify. It began with a snowboarder in Ottawa who wanted to sell gear online. That small idea grew into a platform powering over 2 million businesses worldwide. What sets Shopify apart is its ability to adapt. After the post-pandemic slowdown, management refocused, selling its logistics arm to Flexport and cutting costs. That pivot led to real profits and record free cash flow. With rising gross merchandise volume and new AI tools for merchants, Shopify's ecosystem keeps getting stronger. It's no longer just e-commerce, it's the digital backbone for entrepreneurs globally. If you can handle some volatility, Shopify remains one of the most powerful long-term growth names in Canada. Next is the quiet compounding machine, Constellation Software. Founded by Mark Leonard, the company buys small niche software firms like hospital and property management systems and lets them run independently. That decentralized model has produced massive recurring revenue and over 30-fold growth in the past decade. With Leonard stepping down in 2025, veteran executive Mark Miller now leads. But the playbook remains unchanged. The strategy runs deep through the company. Spin-offs like Walrus and Lumen are also pursuing larger deals, giving investors exposure to multiple growth engines. Constellation isn't flashy, but it's built to quietly create generational wealth, one acquisition at a time. Then we have Brookfield Corporation, one of Canada's most globally diversified giants. It manages over $1 trillion in infrastructure, renewables, real estate, and private equity worldwide. Brookfield doesn't just buy assets, it improves them, turning underperformers into long-term cash flow generators. That's why it has compounded returns for decades, even in volatile markets. Its spin-off Brookfield Asset Management, Renewable, and Infrastructure all produce reliable, inflation-resistant cash flow. Add growth exposure to private credit and data infrastructure, and you have a business built to thrive in the next decade of global investment. For early retirees, Brookfield offers stability and long-term growth in one package. Now to a name that shines in all markets, Dollarama. With more than 1,500 stores across Canada and expansion into Latin America through Dollar City, it is one of Canada's most consistent performers. Its low-cost model thrives when consumers trade down in inflationary times, driving steady growth and higher margins. Over the last decade, the stock is up 800%, with rising earnings and a small steady dividend. Dollarama proves great investing doesn't need to be flashy. It's about disciplined execution. For long-term investors, it's a cornerstone of reliability and growth. And finally, high-risk, high-reward play. NexGen Energy. Based in Saskatchewan's Athabasca Basin, NexGen owns the Arrow Uranium Project, one of the richest undeveloped deposits in the world. As countries push for cleaner, more stable energy, nuclear power is back in focus. Uranium demand is climbing while supply lags. NexGen has cleared major regulatory steps, with key licensing decisions coming soon. If approved, it could become a leading uranium producer later this decade. It's not without risk. Projects like this face delays and cost swing. But if uranium prices rise, NexGen's upside could be massive. For patient investors, the wild card that could supercharge your returns. These 5 Canadian growth stocks could help you retire faster. Each represents a different path to financial freedom, innovation, compounding, stability, and opportunity. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Bucks and Beyond. Also, check out my 7 Canadian tech stocks to buy before 2026. Linked on your screen now. Thanks for watching, and always keep investing wisely, and I'll see you in the next one.